yourself of trading rules. Remember, the rules are different for everyone. You will need to develop your own metrics to develop rules for yourself.
Shout out to Eric from Spydaytrading.
Thank you for including us in your journey. Here's some basic rules for you to build upon.
Stick to your rules and trade like a professional.
Limit your number of trades, only 1 to 3 quality setups. For newer traders, just focus on finding one trade, one and done. After 1-3 trades,
shut down your app. This will limit you to only trade quality setups.
Take only trades with 1-2 risk-reward ratio structure.
If you cannot see a structure
and identify entry and exit,
no trade.
You will get better at identifying good trades, so take your time.
Take partial profits of multiple contracts and adjust stops to protect the trade.
I've shown in the risk-reward metric video of how that will increase the risk.
For newer traders, just take all profits and call it a day.
One and done, stop.
Loss of maximum 2 to 4% of account size.
Stop trades once last trade.
Surpasses average daily profit metric for
beginners. 15-20% profit of your account is enough.
Once you reach a profit target of 1-3
trades a day, stop.
I guarantee you will lose if you continue trading.
Stop trade once 2 consecutive red trades in a day. This is important.
Mathematically, you can never lose in the long term with parameters like this.
Guarding your trades,
learn to take decisive profits.
After which, watch the daily brief video to prep yourself for the trading day ahead, including important levels and context.
Then game face on.
Stop distracting yourself,
especially with chat,
and focus.